Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to our Zumba Fitness revolution, where we're taking you on an incredible journey from beginner-friendly moves to advanced pole dancing techniques. I'm so excited to share this energetic adventure with you, so let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered how to start your fitness journey with Zumba? Well, you're in luck, because today we're covering everything from Zumba para principiantes to advanced pole fitness. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this: did you know that Zumba was actually created by accident? It's true. The founder forgot his usual aerobics music for a class and had to improvise with Latin music tapes. Talk about a happy accident that revolutionized the fitness world. Now, let's start with the basics of Zumba Fitness baile ejercicio. If you're new to this fun-filled workout, don't worry, we've got you covered. The key to mastering Zumba is to focus on the rhythm and let your body move naturally to the musica fitness. It's like having a dance party while burning calories. How awesome is that? And here's a little quiz for you. Can you guess how many calories an hour-long Zumba class can burn? I'll give you a hint. It's more than a slice of pizza, but less than a whole cake. Got your answer? Well, on average, you can torch up to 600 calories in just one Zumba session. As we move on to more advanced techniques, let's talk about Rosa Fitness Zumba. Rosa's style combines traditional Zumba moves with high-intensity intervals, giving you an extra boost in your workout. And speaking of boosts, did you hear about the fitness enthusiast who loved Zumba so much, he started doing it in his sleep? His family thought he was sleepwalking, but he was just sleep Zumba ing. Jokes aside, if you want to enter in Rosa Fitness, remember to keep your core engaged and your movements sharp. Now, let's shake things up a bit and explore some other exciting fitness styles. Have you ever tried dance fitness Jennifer Varela style? Jennifer's unique approach combines elements of hip-hop, salsa, and even a bit of Tiziana fitness style for a truly diverse workout. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not give pole fitness a whirl? It's an incredible way to build upper body strength while feeling like a total superstar. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about jumping fitness. It's like Zumba, but with a trampoline. Can you imagine how much fun that is? It's like being a kid again, but with the added benefit of burning serious calories. And here's another quiz for you. How high do you think you can jump on a fitness trampoline? The answer might surprise you. Some people can reach heights of up to 3 feet. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I warm up properly? Well, that's where Fitness Blender warm-up comes in handy. A proper warm-up is crucial to prevent injuries and get your body ready for the main workout. And speaking of workouts, have you heard of the Fitness Gram Pacer test? It's a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. But don't worry, we won't be doing that today. I just wanted to see if you were paying attention. As we near the end of our fitness journey, let's not forget about strength training. Incorporating elements of Bhullar fitness can help you build muscle and boost your metabolism. And for those days when you need a little extra motivation, why not try a fitness circle workout? It's a versatile tool that can add resistance to your exercises and keep things interesting. Before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to some amazing fitness influencers who can keep you inspired on your journey. Check out Fitness by Vivi and Vivi Fitness for some great workout ideas and motivation. And if you're into high-energy routines, Gotti Fitness and fitdance are definitely worth exploring. Wow, we've covered so much ground today. From Zumba Fitness baile ejercicio para adelgazar to advanced pole dancing, we've explored a whole world of fitness options. Remember, the key to sticking with your fitness routine is to find something you enjoy. Whether it's Zumba, pole fitness, or jumping on a trampoline, the best workout is the one you'll actually do. Now, I've got an exciting offer for all of you fitness enthusiasts out there. Our sponsor, Byte Shop, is offering an incredible 10% discount on their AI tools, OTT subscriptions, and software. Just use the coupon code WELCOME10 at checkout. Trust me, these tools can really enhance your fitness journey, from tracking your progress to finding new workout inspirations. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start your fitness revolution. Whether you're into phonicsman fitness or Rosa fitness Zumba, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Who knows, maybe you'll inspire the next Zumba superstar. Until next time, keep dancing, keep jumping, and keep moving towards your fitness goals.